Hello everyone, welcome back to our Tips to Speak Japanese Like a Native series. My name is Irada.
My name is Koji.
Koji sensei, what we're gonna talk about today?
Today I'm going to talk about the Japanese sound.
Alright, are you ready? Let's get started.
Okay, this is in Japanese,
Okay.
and many people misunderstand that it's the same as English N.
N sound. Do you know the difference? Please write below.
Okay, the difference, there's a big difference. Even though is pronounced in three different ways, the normal way is When you pronounce Japanese, your tongue should not touch any part of your mouth.
Okay. So it's not N as the tongue touches the roof of your mouth, but it's Okay.
And also, the big difference is that the should have one molar.
One more. Okay.
Or one syllable, I could say, which is very different from English and English or any other language. As far as I know, Japanese has the only consonant that has one syllable.
Oh, okay.
In linguistics, it's called a Slavic consonant, which is unique to Japanese.
Okay.
So, for example, what is book in Japanese?
Book, let me see. Is it hon?
Yes, very good.
Okay.
Okay, it's hon.
Hon, yes.
The typical foreign accent is that to pronounce it as one syllable word.
Yeah, hon. Is it wrong?
But in Japanese, it has two moras.
Two morals. Wow.
It's number one ho and
Ho.
number two
Ho, Ah.
Yeah.
All
So
right.
hon.
Hon.
It's not hon. Maybe it's the difference is very subtle.
Yeah, it's very tiny difference there. So.
But to us, this hon
Hon.
is a word with two moras.
Ah.
Please try to get this feeling.
Yes, please let's try with me. So it's ho.
Hon. Hon. Hon.
Hon. Okay, so two.
Okay, now I've just told you that the has pronounced in three different ways.
Three different ways.
If I divide them roughly, if I divide them into, if I divide them more strictly, they have 6 or 7 different sounds, it's said, but the more important things are just 3.
Okay.
Number 1 is the normal way. An example word is kanko, ka-ko. It's written u, but it's pronounced like o. Kanko,
Kanko.
ka-ko.
So kanko. So
Which means,
4.
yes, that means sightseeing or tourism.
Sightseeing. Good word. Yeah.
Kanko.
Kanko.
This is pronounced like
Okay.
This is the normal way, standard way. And then we have kange.
It's a little bit more difficult.
Kange. Kange, that means welcome.
Okay. Kange. Kange.
Yes, very good, very good.
Okay.
This also has 4 moras. Kange.
4. Can you imagine?
Kange.
So it's not kange. It's kange. Okay.
And this G is, I pronounce it nge, not kange. But this is another topic, so we'll talk about in a different video.
All right.
Kange. In this case, is more nasalized. Kange. If I emphasize it, if I kange.
Kange.
Please
try.
I exaggerated a bit, but to make it easier for you, kange, and this is kanko. It's a little nasalized, but this one is more nasalized.
True.
And the third one is kampai.
Kampai.
I'm sure you've heard this word.
Probably like when you do cheers.
Yes, kampai.
Kampai. Okay.
Okay. Even though it's written it's actually pronounced like M.
M. So it changed.
Kampai.
Why it changed to the sound?
Because it's pronounced in front of P, N, or B. Because these sounds are the sounds that created by both of lips.
Okay.
B, P, M. Okay? So it's easier to pronounce the N. Instead of N, pronounce M. It would be easier to pronounce. So I guess a long time ago people pronounced it like kanpai. But nowadays people all pronounce like kampai.
So eventually it changed because of this. But
some of you noticed that in Tokyo there's a place called Shinjuku. Shinjuku is pronounced like this, one of the normal ways, Shinjuku.
Okay.
But there's another station called Shinbashi.
Shinbashi. Yeah, it sounds like M, right?
Yeah, yes.
What do you think?
Shin originally means new.
New?
New.
Okay.
So Shin of Shinjuku and Shin of Shinbashi are the same word. But depending on the word following, or depending on sound following, it's pronounced like Shinjuku or Shinbashi. But Japanese people have never thought about it. When I teach new Japanese language teachers, I tell them, we pronounce it in different ways, depending on the following sound. And they said, I've never thought of it. Yeah. It's like that.
Wow.
But of course, people can pronounce naturally without thinking, just like any other language speakers.
Wow.
So
Koji Sensei is teaching us things that even local Japanese people didn't realize. Wow. His turn. Okay,
so for foreign language speakers, they may notice the differences, even though native Japanese speakers don't notice. You may think, is it M or N?
Yeah, I was thinking it's two different words, but no.
So, kanpai and kange and kanko, they may be different. They may sound different sounds for some of you or many of you, but please understand that these are understood by Japanese as one sound.
One sound. Okay.
So don't mind if it sounds like or N.
I see.
They still are the same sound for us. Okay. Let me talk about another problem of Japanese. What is the book in Japanese?
So hon?
Can you say I'd buy a book or books?
Okay, so it's honokaimasu.
Okay, this is a bit typical foreigner's sound. I mean, it is, we say hon o kaimasu.
Did you know that?
Okay.
Okay.
Many foreign Japanese learners, especially European language speakers, put this consonant and this vowel together.
Yeah, I was also thinking it's ono, but no.
It should be this linking phenomenon doesn't exist in Japanese. It should be clearly pronounced separately pronounced. Hon o kaimasu. Hon o kaimasu.
Please try and write in the comments below.
Hon o kaimasu. It should never be pronounced like hono kaimasu.
Oh, no. Okay.
That may sound like a different word.
Okay.
Or I give you another example. Tang I, which means unit. Like unit for measurement, like meter or kilogram or kind of thing.
Yeah.
So meaning doesn't matter very much. It's here. It's tang I.
Tani. If I didn't know, I would say tani.
Tani. If you pronounce it like tani, that means valley.
Oh, it's a different word.
It's a
so
completely different word. And also, this n has one molar. So this is a word with 3 molars.
3.
And if you pronounce, actually in alphabet, they're written in the same way. Valley, which is tani. Tani is valley.
Oh, okay.
And tangi is unit.
So 3 and 2.
Yes.
That makes it very different.
So in Japanese, a consonant followed by a vowel should never be together.
Okay.
That's why it's very difficult for Japanese learners to pronounce English properly.
I see.
Like if you say one of them, Japanese people always say one of them.
So they divide each. Okay.
When English speakers say, I'll be back in an hour. In an hour.
Yeah.
Japanese people say, what did you say? And if you, this is actually a hint for you guys to make yourself understood if you speak English. If you say, instead of in an hour, instead of in an hour, maybe if you say in an hour, 80% of the Japanese people will understand what you say. But if you say in an hour, maybe 10% of the people should understand.
Okay.
So, but I mean, that is a tip to make yourself easier.
Make yourself
to be
clear,
understood.
let's say here.
So anyway, in Japanese we don't have linking thing. So if you have and it's followed by a vowel, try to pronounce them separately in Japanese.
Okay. So tan I. Tan I.
And tani.
Tani.
They're different words.
Yes. Do you hear the difference?
Okay. Especially with hon o kaimasu or hon o yomimasu, read a book or books. Actually in Japanese we don't have singular and plural, so hon can be a book or books.
Or books. Oh, I see. Yeah.
O indicates that the word just in front is the object of a sentence. Hon o kaimasu or hon o yomimasu.
So that one is very important to identify.
Yes. This o comes up very often in Japanese sentences, and try to pronounce them separately.
All right. Please, let's try.
Okay. So much for today.
Thank you so much, Oji Sensei, for teaching us this part as well.
Thank you.
And let's continue next time.
ありがとう。また会いましょう。